Enter the depths of hell!
Nat? Oh my God, you're here? What?
It's Halloween. I got us VIP passes to Hellfest.
What is that?
It's a traveling horror night. Has horror mazes in it. You will totally lose it in there.
It's gonna be fun, right?
Why are we signing a waiver?
Well, because the liability is, hey, bitch. A couple of years ago, some girl got totally gutted.
Killer left her body in the park for 3 days. They thought she was a freaking prop.
Some people are just evil.
They walk among us.
Shut up! Yes, we get it. You think you scare me? No. Move.
Look, the more scared you seem, the more they're gonna come after you. You have to just play it cool.
Help me! Please help me. Just do it.
That was insane, right?
Yeah,
Real.
the same guy's been following us the entire night.
You take your job too seriously.
This really isn't funny, dude.
Help me! Somebody!
You came here to be scared, right? I can't arrest people for doing their job. Welcome to Hellfest.
Hello? Hey, can you let me out of here?